You put the medicine on my foot?
Yeah.
Okay.
And with this.
Okay, here. Put it on. Look. Hurry. Wait, is it gonna hurt? Are you sure?
No.
Okay. Okay, put it on.
It's walking.
Here, put it on my foot. Hurry.
Walk.
Hurry, it's hurting. Put it on my foot.
This not hurt.
Are you sure? Okay, go.
My foot.
Put it on my foot.
Let's on you.
Okay, ready? Go. Put it on. Is it gonna hurt?
No. When it's not hurt.
Okay, go. Are you sure?
No, it's not hurt.
Well, why are you laughing if it's not gonna hurt? No.
And this is not hurt. Stay still.
Stay still.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, stay still.
What if it hurts me?
Stay still.
Okay.
My foot's hurt.
Okay, I'm ready.
I'm gonna go that far. My day is stay on the floor. Let's do that. This is not hurt. Stay still and say,
Okay.
this is not hurt.
Okay, I'm
Stay
ready.
still.
Okay, go.
Oh.
Why are you taking so long?
I do that's a trick.
A trick? I thought you were putting medicine on my foot.
I do that trick in school.
Well, put it on my foot. Let's
I-
go.
What?
All right, let me do it.
You go. Magic.
Ow! That did hurt. You said it wouldn't hurt. It hurt. I'm so mad at you.
But I'm not so mad at me.
Oh, I'm not so mad at you.
Put your toe.
Thank you for taking care of me.
Mom, this is not hurt.
Okay, it didn't hurt.
This is
Don't put it in your ear. Stop. That's danger. Only mommy does that.
All boys did.
No, don't. That's dangerous. Only mommy does that for you. Tell me about your toe. What happened to your toe? Let me see. What happened?
No.
What happened to your toe?
Oh no.
What did you do?
It's not me. You.
Why does it hurt?
It's not hurting.
It's not hurting?
My mammy do it.
And why do you need a band-aid if it's not hurting?
One minute.
Bobby brought me a band-aid.
I'm go get. You want 3?
3?
Yeah.
I only need 1. You only have 1 toe that hurts. Wait, you have to take a shower first.
Where,
Where-
you want Band-Aid?
Where did you go today?
Go to beach.
What did you do at the beach?
Where it's going? It says I to pull that sand out.
Pull the sand out?
I joined the water to go out.
Jumped in the water. Did you build a castle?
No.
No. Who went with us?
Jake.
Jake. And who else?
The baby.
The baby. And who else? Uncle Jake went with us? He did. Did he have fun? Huh?
Mommy, look under that shoe.
And the shoe?
Yeah.
What shoe?
Fog.
The frog?
Yeah.
On the shoe?
Yeah. Under Jake
Oh, when Uncle Jake was making the noise with his shoe and it sounded like a frog.
Yeah. I hear it.
You heard it?
Yeah.
And what did it sound like?
The frog.
What, like, how? Say it.
Ribbit! Ribbit!
Quiet voice.
Ribbit!
Quiet voice.
Ribbit!
Do you miss Uncle Jake?
Yes, I miss his frog.
You missing his frog?
I want this, please.
What do you want to do tomorrow? Where you want to go tomorrow? We're going to go to the church in the morning?
No, I want to go to the store.
To the store? What are you going to buy at the store?
You go with me.
Okay, what do you want to buy?
Um,
What's on our list?
what's that list?
Yeah, but what do we buy at the store?
Bananas,
Bananas,
vitamins,
vitamins,
my vitamins,
mommy's vitamins.
my banana,
Yeah, I'll take a banana too. What else do we buy at the store?
make me see. Strawberries.
Strawberries.
My strawberries see under there is no, hold on.
Okay. What else?
My,
Do we buy juice?
yeah.
A little bit or a lot?
Yeah. What?
Okay, what else? Is that it?
Yeah.
Okay. I love you so much.
Wait. Hummus.
What?
Get hummus? Lots of hummus.
Oh, you need lots of hummus?
Yeah.
What else?
I get cookies?
Cookies? Are you sure you want cookies?
Yeah. I get cookies at store.
Cookies at the store?
Yeah. I get cookies at store.
Candy? Who you been hanging out and you eat candy? I don't think we get candy.
My daddy did.
Your daddy got you candy?
Yeah.
Are you sure? I don't think so.
Mm-hmm.
What if I ask him?
Say yes.
He'll say yes. Are you sure?
Mommy, scurry up.
Hmm?
What's this?
All right. I love you so much. Say, I love you so much.
Love you. No. In the phone. Don't see.